Hello viewers, another air raid siren of Los Angeles. This is Siren 17. It's a wire spool. It's on Ventura Boulevard and Labao Avenue, Woodland Hills, California, and we're right next to the 101 freeway. Siren 17 wire spool. Show you a map. We're here, and there's the other ones I've come across. And this one, the paint is peeling off pretty good on it. See with the electricity. So it has wire coming from this pole over here, and the wire is connected to the pole, but then it's cut right there. So it has the electrical too over, but it's dismantled. I can see the wire hanging off. There you go. Siren 17 wire spool. Another air raid siren of Los Angeles. Here in Woodland Hills. All right. Thanks for watching.